I will show you how to log out of Facebook Messenger in this video. First, go to your Messenger app, then tap on the hamburger icon on the top left corner. A side menu will open up, then tap on the gear icon. This will take you to the settings page. Now scroll all the way down until you see the Meta Account Center. Tap on the See More in Account Center. You will be taken to the settings menu with all your Facebook-owned accounts. Now you want to tap on the password and security option. Next, tap on the Where You Are Logged In section. You will now see the account type and how many devices are logged into it. In my case, I have Instagram and Facebook logged into many devices. Tap on the Facebook option. The list of devices logged in will be shown. Scroll down and tap on Select Devices to log out. You can check all of the boxes, or in my case, I only want to log out on the LG K8 device. Check on the box and select Logout. Keep in mind that it will also log you out of your Facebook account as well, since they are connected. That is it.